Some of you may know that I also have a lawn channel. I don't focus on it quite as much as my automotive channel, but we're gonna repair the lawnmower today. So the other day I noticed that my handle was super loose and this little plastic thing was missing. The other side still got it. So I think what happened is there's a little pin right in here and it drifted out and this thing fell off, and yeah. So we're gonna fix this. So first I gotta get my lawn striper off of here. That's where I get nice deep stripes in the lawn. We'll kick this up. That. You can clearly see now something is missing. Oh man. Alright, so in this kit you gotta take the old bushing, get the old bushing out of there, and then we got a new bushing. It just slides right in. You may have to hammer it in. So then in the kit you're going to have a spring, the little pin, and then a little dowel pin or retainer that's going to go right through that little hole. And that's what fell out, and it caused this to pop off, this to shoot through. So yeah, it's it's one of those things. So the way this works is this little bushing, I might have a little paint or something right in the corner here. I gotta go knock the rest of it off, but this little pin, I'm gonna go do that real quick before I get the pin stuck in there. All right, so I clean that up with a little deburr tool. So the way this works is the spring goes down inside of here and it pulls this pin in and out, which now it's not going in. It'll go in this way just fine. You know what? This hole on here is drilled wrong. That's awesome. I'm gonna reuse the old bushing, I guess. I got two bushings. Maybe we'll see how this other bushing looks. Hey, that one looks a lot better. Now we got a good bushing. We'll clean that other one up and see what's going on. Anyway, so this little thing sits in there like this, and this little pin comes out and locks, right? And so it's supposed to be spring loaded. So your spring is gonna go. So your spring, you're gonna load on here, and then you're gonna slide it down through like that. Okay, and then we're gonna put this into the thing here. A little hammerage. Yeah, I should probably go get a hammer. All right, that works. So we're gonna take this, the shoulder side, stick it in, and then we've got to line up that thing here. So I'm looking through this little hole and I'm trying to line it up and eyeball it right there. So we're going to take it, push it into it, and then I can see it clearly blocking it and then not blocking it. Take that and go in, and then I can just take my pliers, kind of push down, kind of squeeze this piece into it until it's flush. And now we've got that back. Woohoo! Good as new. All right, now that we have both of them on there, flip this back. Sometimes you gotta, just a heads up, you might want to take this and pull this out prior to tilting it back. Otherwise you can have it break that puppy there. Boom. All right. Now the handle looks so much more tight. Then I'll load my lawn striper back on here.